Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to download your Spotify Wrapped in a quick and easy way. So yeah guys, make sure to watch the video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This method works both on Android and iPhone, so you do not have to worry what kind of phone you have. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Spotify application if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to either register for an account or log into your existing account depending if you already have an account or not. So guys, when you do that, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see your Spotify Wrapped. So you want to go ahead and enter your Spotify Wrapped. And let's say we want to go to the last slide, which this is the most important slide where all of our info was. So let's go to the last slide, and when guys, as you can see now, when it ends, you will have this share option right here, the share button. So go ahead and click on the share button right here. And guys, now a couple of options will open. So guys, all you want to do for you to download your Spotify Wrapped is go ahead and click on the download button with an arrow pointing downwards that you can see. Go ahead and click that button right there. And guys, just allow it to save to your device. After allowing it, as you can see guys, now the Spotify Wrapped has been downloaded to my mobile phone. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.